another interesting problem here. So some people are standing in a row in a park. There are trees between them which cannot be moved. Your task is to rearrange the people by heights in an descending order without moving the trees. So given an array of numbers, and the negative ones represent trees. The positive values represent people's heights. So we are supposed to just rearrange the integers such that we don't move the trees, but the heights of people, we rearrange those in ascending order, which is actually non-descending. That's the opposite. Well, the first thing in this case is to try and figure out the indexes of the people's heights, right? Since we know -1 is a tree, so we can do that. We can get the list of indexes or list of indices by just saying people indexes equals to index for index height in enumerate A if height is not equals to -1. So with that we have our the position which the people's heights sit. Next, we can now get the actual heights. So actual heights equals to, so we can say A index for index in people indexes. So using the positions above, we get the actual heights in line 3. The next thing that we want to do here is to sort out the heights, since in line 3 we are just adding the heights without any sort of assorting mechanism. So to do that, we can just say actual heights equals to sorted actual heights. So this should sort our heights in an ascending order from the smallest to the largest. With that in place, we can now go back to our original list of integers and try to replace the actual heights based on their indexes that we defined in line 2. So to do that, we will actually need to loop through their indexes and get each index for each value in the people indexes variable. Well, to do that, we can just say for index value in enumerate people indexes. So now we know the index and the value. Then we can now do substitution in our two actual lists, that is line 5 and the original list, which is A. So you can just say the value that is in our list A at this particular index will be equal to well, actually, yeah, that way will be equal to the actual heights at that particular index. So we are just swapping and substituting based on the positions. And then finally we can just do a return of the original list. So we are going to cross our fingers and run this. voila. So everything works, and that should be the solution to our code. So if we inspect one here, look at the return value. So yes, so you see that the original is this, and what our program returned is this. So that looks okay. Bye.